Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can. Go ahead.
Okay. So I'm telling you, after that I had zero subscriber, and right
Mhm.
now I have 403 subscriber.
Nice. Congratulations, man. Congratulations. Great job. Great job. Excellent work.
So how have you
So,
been, sir? How are you?
I've been okay. I've been okay, man. I've been doing good. Uh, I've been doing a lot of things, but it's been 5 months, so it's quite hard to catch up and all that. But I think we did quite a few things. How have been? I mean, how have you been? Tell me about the things that was going on in your life. I'm so happy that you got more than 400 subscribers, and that's a huge thing, right? So in 5 months you have trained those, and I think how well is the YouTube life I mean, treating you? How is it coming on for you?
Sir, I have been doing well because 15 May I joined multinational company, and before
Okay.
2 months I was preparing for interview, and after that finally I got selected for multinational
Yes.
company. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Congratulations. You wanted to get into a multinational company. You wanted to work in MNC, and now you're there.
And sir, as well as I am pursuing master degree, and these days I am
Wow.
learning English, and as well as I am uploading video on my YouTube channel. So these days I am doing multitasking work.
Right, right, right. I can see that. I can see that. So, which you're pursuing masters now. So, on which subject are you pursuing masters?
I chose political science.
Political science. Wow. Okay. Fantastic.
Yes,
Fantastic. Okay, I did not see that coming. Wow. So you're literally reaping it. You're literally killing it on all angles, aren't you?
yes, sir. Actually, I have done my graduation, and after that, diploma in multimedia animation, Jadavpur University. So
Hmm.
just 6 months ago, I thought if I start again my study, so it's good for me. So 5 to 6 months ago, I got admission for masters, and
Hmm.
then right now I'm pursuing this subject. So let's see.
Hmm.
I hope within 2 years later I'll be complete my this course.
Yeah, you'll be completing that too. Great job. Great job. So, have you been away from English area, or have you been taking sessions with English area? How has that been going on?
Yeah, actually I have been attending many session on English Yaari.
Okay.
Approximate 60 60 session I already attended with my
Okay, okay,
tutors.
that's good. That's good.
Yes,
I think the
yes,
first session was with me, right? I trained you a little bit, and then we did the first video for your YouTube. And then I haven't really following up. I mean, I didn't really have the time for that. But tell me, how is the response? Like, have you been getting a lot of comments on your videos, and have you getting a lot of interaction? How is it coming along?
yes, sir. Yes, actually, there are so many viewers these days loving me. They are supporting me, and
Yes,
they give good comment, and they also like approximate 20
approximately.
uh, approximate 24,000 people watch overall on my YouTube channel.
Okay, okay, that's good. That's
Yes,
good. So
yes,
wait, so you
sir,
need to
yes.
ask them to subscribe to your channel because if over 24,000 people are there, if there's a lot of views, they should subscribe to your channel. Is the channel monetized yet?
No, 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 no. Actually, I think you are not getting my point. I am telling
Mm-hmm.
you, overall, my YouTube channel, people views approximate 24,500.
Okay,
It
okay,
it means overall channel. Actually, I uploaded 30 videos on my YouTube channel.
okay, okay, okay.
So
That's good count.
overall
In
30
5 months, 30
videos
videos, that's
views.
good. Mm-hmm.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, yes, sir. So if you see my YouTube channel, I
Mm-hmm.
think 1 to 9 video got 1K views.
Okay, okay. That's good. That's very
Yes,
interesting.
yes, sir. Yes, because when I upload my video, and after that there are so many viewers learn more from my channel, because
Mm-hmm.
I am a student, I am a not fluent speaker. So if I upload fluent speaker videos, my viewers mm, not properly learn, because if you see, these days we are watching English movie, so sometime we
Mm-hmm.
remember and after that we forgot. But whenever I upload videos, so that time I
Mm-hmm.
always make real conversation. If I will make wrong sentence, and after that if you will be rectify those problem, so so that kind of video I upload on my YouTube channel. so people can
Okay.
easily understand and they can rectify their problem easily. So
Okay.
that's why maybe my viewers these days loving me, they are supporting me.
See, one good thing about the whole scenario is that you have improved quite a lot. I mean, do you remember the first class when we actually getting into the session? Initially, we were actually trying to take up almost 40, 45 minutes in the very same session, right? Remember when we were actually using Zoom, not Meet? So at that point, I mean, you couldn't really, dial in a whole sentence itself. We were trying to, you were trying your level best, but the hard work has paid off. You can actually speak in English now. I'm not trying to say you are speaking spotless, perfect English. Nobody's perfect, but you are doing a lot better than day one because I've seen you in day one, right? And I'm so glad that I was able to train you for 2 months, and then you've come this way. And do you remember the first thing that you actually told me is that you wanted to open up a YouTube channel, the other thing that you wanted to join a multinational company, and the third thing was you wanted to open up your own business, right? So those were the things that you told, and I said all of those are going to come true. Well, now you're speaking English and you actually have a conversation YouTube channel that's going on, which is fantastic, and also that's one step closer to your dream, which was just done. Like you just actually achieved that, and then you wanted to get into an MNC, and now you just told me you just signed up in an MNC a month ago. No, yeah, May 15th. That's what you said. So that means you cleared that one as well. So this the short term goals, long term goals, it's all coming across. It's all coming together. So great job. Very proud of you, Suman. Very very proud of you. Excellent work.
Yes, and very very soon I'll open my business. Actually,
Yes,
if you want, anything, so you can achieve easily because you
absolutely,
want. No one want. You
absolutely.
want. So that's why I told you earlier. Also, I never give up. Anyhow, I want to achieve more and more goal. I want to able to speak English. So everything
Hmm.
these days I am achieving. So let's see, sir. It's totally time. How to explain you, sir? You are my first inspiration, and I uploaded one video on my YouTube channel with you. So that is my first video, and 5 months later, again I chose your session because I want to show my few improvement in front of you. So that's
Of
why
course.
finally today I chose your session because
Great job, man. Great job. Excellent. I mean, I can see the effort that you put into this whole scenario, right? And definitely it's paying off. And I think I might be one among the few people, and I think also Vikas would know because he has also seen you in the beginning.
yes, yes,
So I might be one among the few people who actually knows the hard work. You actually saw your growth, right? And I'm looking really terrible. I just came back from the gym, so I know for a fact this is going to YouTube. I mean, if you can try not to upload this, we can definitely take another video, right? I'll be getting ready and all those things because I look like a mess at this point. But anyway, I still did not cancel the session because it was your session, and I was actually looking forward to meeting you as well, right? Because I wanted to know like how well you were doing and how things were going ahead. And I think all the renovation works that was going around at your place, it's completely done. At that point, there was a lot of renovation work that was going on, and I still remember with the notebook. I still remember you came in with the notebook. You always take the notes, and you wanted to make sure the sentences. You were making me reiterate those sentences, also the vocabulary, the correct form of tenses, the grammar. I think I haven't really, given anybody grammar practice here specifically. I'm a soft skills trainer mostly. So what I do mostly is that I give them a challenging situation to speak, and I just make them speak, keep on speaking. Today I'm the one speaking the most because I know you from advance, right? So
yes, yes. And sir, whenever I recall those memory, actually earlier when I attended your class, and after that you gave extra 10 minutes. It means 40 minutes. Oh my God, whole life I recognize your name. Is you are my first inspiration, and
oh my God, that's
really
so
sir.
sweet of you to say that, man. That's really sweet of you to say. And I don't know, like this is something I've actually told Vikas as well. I mean, I'm not supposed to say this because those times Zoom, I mean, they didn't have a premium subscription. I think they still don't have a premium subscription over there in Zoom. Instead, they switched to Meta. So Zoom allotted us 40 minutes, like
40
40
minutes.
minutes to,
Yes.
yeah. So according to EnglishYaari, initially they were offering 20 minutes, right? And now they have increased it to 25 minutes. So at that time, I was, for one session means I was actually taking 40 minutes, like entirely. We never stopped. We never stopped at the 20th minute, right? So I still remember that. And you were one among the first learners that I had in this platform as a whole. And Seriously, I mean, I'm so proud of you, man. I'm so proud of you. What do you want to do today? I mean, I think we spoke for the most of the time, but we still have 10 minutes. What do you want to talk about? You tell me.
Actually, today my topic name is honesty is best policy
That's
in our
right.
life. Yeah, sir. So I want to discuss about those topics.
Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. So we'll start off with the first question itself, right here. Right? Do you believe that honesty is the best policy? What do you think?
Actually, it's totally complete depend our situation. If that situation
Mm-hmm.
favor, so it I can show my honesty. But if that situation is not favor for me, so then I can show my dishonesty, because these days there are so many people uh, are so clever, they are so smart.
Mm-hmm.
So that time if you show your honesty, so they will cheat you, and they will um, beat you, whatever you called. So that's why I always realize uh, honesty and dishonesty both is important in our life.
Hmm. Okay, that's a very interesting take on this topic because I was expecting something else completely. Right. So, but I get it. I completely understand because the world, it's a dog eat dog world, right? It's a man eat man world. So, definitely we have to be cunning. We have to be very, very street smart. That's what we'd say. We have to be street smart about all these things, and otherwise we'll be fooled altogether. Because the world, we can easily advance forward without fooling anybody else, but worlds use the shortcut, and when people choose shortcut, always somebody gets hurt, right? And it might be shorter for somebody, but for someone else, it's gonna be the long road, right? And yes, I do agree with your point, but at the same time, I do appreciate brutal honesty. That's one thing I've been always known for, right? So I think honesty is the best policy, but I do also understand your perspective, right? Definitely, you cannot be honest in all situations, but to the best of my knowledge and to the best for your mindset or your, I don't know, the entire scenario that you're placed in, I think the best course of action would be being honest. That's what I think. Anyway,
Yes,
have you
yes,
ever
sir.
been dishonest?
Yes,
Uh-huh.
sir. No, sir. Actually, I want to discuss this question more and more. Actually, you know, if you show your honesty, so people will think you are foolish. And sometime if you show your honesty, so it's good for you. Suppose right now I am telling you, you are doing job in a multinational company. If you give your 100%, if you talk to everyone, politely, so it's good for you,
Mm-hmm.
and can give your promotion, and you can
Mm-hmm.
easily earn money. And as well as suppose you are a police officer, but you are not taking more bribe. So
Okay.
if your colleague and take more takes more bribe, but they that time if you show your honesty, then they will complain your higher officer, sir, this person not properly do, this person not properly work. So if possible,
Mm-hmm.
if possible, sir, can you transfer his job another area, just like village area or rural area. So so
Okay.
if you show your dishonesty that time, so you can easily survive. So honesty and dishonesty more important, I mean. And being honesty is more important. Just like uh, if if you are a, sir, how to explain, uh, suppose if I want to make relationship, so that time being honest is more important. Because if I don't have honesty, so how to believe my partner ki I'm honest or dishonest. But if how to explain you, it means if I will discuss, if I will show honesty, so my partner can easily understand that that guy is so good.
What are your views about politicians being dishonest? Right? What do you think about that? For gaining votes, or something. If politicians are being dishonest, do you think it's appropriate?
No, sir. Actually, these days there are so many politicians come our home, and after
So they come to your home and they give
during
you false hopes.
uh, these days there are so many politicians come in our city, and after that they promise. if you give vote, then I can help for my voters. Just like I can give electricity, I can give you water, I can give you roads, um, clean roads, and I can give you more and more facility for my voters.
Hmm.
But when they win the vote, and after that later on they fulfill a few tasks, so that's why uh, politician, I think it's dishonest. So it's not good. If that politician fulfill their promise, so people can easily love and people can easily, you know, what should I say? It means people can easily believe that politician.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
Yes.
Okay. That is so. mm, What are your views about people telling lies in the work culture and offices to flatter their bosses or they're getting a promotion? What do you think about that?
Actually, these days there are so many people are so clever, so they always flatter in front of their boss. So I think it's not good. If you do your 100%, I mean to say, these days there are so many people don't want to do any work, but as well as they want to flatter in front of their boss. So it's not good, I think. And there are so many uh, uh, employee eligible, but they are not getting more facility because uh, if if I flatter in front of my boss, so I can easily get more benefit. So it's not good, sir. Actually, um, if that if there are so many people are eligible, and they are doing good work, um, so if they get more facilities, so it's good. But suppose right now I am flattering you, you are my boss. So how many
Yeah.
days, how many years, just few months, few years, and after that my after that you will be hire another person. And you know very well, because every boss are so clever, so they
Okay.
can easily understand. So I think if I'll flatter in front of my boss, and if I hope my boss will be higher, 5 years and 10 years later another employee. But if that time if I'll do my 100%, then I can easily survive that company.
Okay.
Yes,
I get your point. I get your point.
you know
I would like to, but there are two things. Number one, there were several errors that I've noticed earlier. Like there were several things that I wanted to correct you earlier, but I stopped. Number two is that it's already 10:30. I really have to get to the next session. It's supposed to start right now. So if you could actually reschedule the session, I mean, if you want to schedule the session for later, then that's something we can do. Right now, this is how we're gonna end. I mean, I was supposed to leave at 25, but I couldn't because you wanted me to ask another question, but I did not correct it. There
okay,
were several mistakes from the beginning. I thought this was most probably a catching up session. But still, like if you want to schedule another session and we can exclusively talk about that topic that we were discussing, and we can of
when?
course do a little bit of sketching. You can
Right
decide.
now?
Not right
Right
now.
now?
Right now I have another session. So if you
Oh
can
my
look that up,
god.
yeah, if you can look that up in the schedule, then of course you can do that. I think it's something that we can definitely do probably tomorrow or sometime later. Please do look into it. I really have to go now.
Tomorrow?
We are already.
Okay, okay. Tomorrow, right now, free? Tomorrow, 10:30?
You,
10?
you can check that out. You can check the slots now. Is it okay if I
Okay,
leave
okay,
right
okay.
now?
Nice talking
Please
to
take
you.
care. Bye
Yes,
bye bye
sir.
bye.
Okay, take care, sir. Hope to
Good
see you.
night.
Bye.
So sorry to
Bye.
leave you like that. Take care. Okay. Bye bye.
Okay, good night, sir. Take care, sir. Okay, bye.
Bye bye.